Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another epic episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you spend your money wisely and avoid buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. Flying saucer. We've got two contenders ready to battle it out in the sky. On the left, the ATTOP drone, and on the right, the istone First 5 drone. So buckle up, because things are about to get fly-tastic. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the camera. The ATTOP drone comes with a 1080p 120 degrees FOV camera. That's right, folks, it's got a wider angle than your Aunt Karen's gossip circle. Plus, it promises high-resolution pics that will make your Instagram followers think you're a professional photographer. Reviewers have noted that the ATTOP drone's camera is clear, but the battery drains quickly, which might limit your shooting time. On the other hand, the istone 5 drone also boasts a 1080p HD camera, but with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a drone with a neck. You can point it wherever you want. Great for those, I swear, I wasn't spying on the neighbor's shots. However, some users have mentioned that the camera quality isn't great, describing it as grainy and colorless. Next, let's talk battery life. The ATTOP drone comes with not one, not two, but 3 batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film your entire backyard barbecue and still have time to chase the dog around. However, some users have found issues with the batteries not working properly. The istone First 5 drone, on the other hand, comes with 2 batteries, also promising up to 30 minutes of flight time. So if you're planning a drone race, it's a tie. But hey, who needs 3 batteries when you can have a folding drone that fits in your pocket, right? Just be aware that some reviewers have had trouble finding replacement batteries for the istone First 5. Now let's dive into the fun features. The ATTOP drone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got voice control, gesture recognition, and it can even perform 360 degrees flips. It's like having a tiny, flying circus in your hands. However, some users have reported issues with the drone malfunctioning and being difficult to control. The istone If drone isn't far behind. It's got hand gesture photo and video capabilities, altitude hold, and one key start landing. It's basically a flying assistant. Now, if only it could bring you coffee in the morning, right? But beware, some users have found the drone difficult to control and even lost it due to connectivity issues. When it comes to portability and design, the ATTOP drone folds up nicely and comes with a carrying case. Perfect for those, I need to impress my friends with my new toy moments. Some users have praised its durability, though others have experienced malfunctions. But the istone 5 drone takes it to the next level with its ultra-portable, pocket-sized design. It's like the James Bond of drones. Sleek, compact, and ready for action. Plus, it also comes with a carrying case. However, some users have described its build quality as cheap and have had issues with it flying away in windy conditions. In summary, both drones have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The ATTOP drone is praised for its clear camera and versatility, but it has had some issues with battery life and malfunctions. On the other hand, the istone First 5 drone is loved for its compact design and adjustable camera, but some users have found it difficult to control and have experienced connectivity issues. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone versus the istone First 5 drone. Both are fantastic choices, but it ultimately comes down to what you're looking for in a drone. Do you want the Swiss Army knife of drones with all the bells and whistles? Go for the ATTOP. Want a sleek, portable drone that's ready for any adventure? The istone 5 is your buddy. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know which drone you think takes the crown. And remember, always buy smart. See you next time, drone enthusiasts. Scissor product links are in the description.